Hey everyone, Eric Clark here with SwigTech, and I just wanted to take a moment to show how to set your status in Teams, and there's a fun caveat to that. As a user, this is something that when I see other people that have this status, I'm wondering, hey, how did you do that? So if you look here and you click on your profile picture at the upper right hand of Teams, right now you're going to notice that it says available. If you hover over this, you get a couple of options: available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, and appear away. You can also set a message. So I could say, if I know I have a direct report or something, I could call them out, right? And say, grabbing coffee, be right back. If I could spell coffee. Right, I could do that. And let's just take them off. I don't want them to get a notification just this moment. Set my status, so grabbing coffee, because we always need more coffee. And that can clear away today or never. 1 hour, 4 hours this week are custom. I can set my own time. So, maybe I'll just say this is good to 1:30. That's fine. Click done. And now I can say, be right back. So here's an interesting thing that you can do. And your Outlook actually syncs with Microsoft Teams. So if I add a new event right now, I'll just do reserved Teams demo video, right? Now if I save this meeting, nothing has changed really on the team side, but what you'll notice if I go in here, and I could do this right out of the gate too, but right where it says show as, if I do out of office and save that appointment, and I go back into Teams, my away message for everybody else is going to look quite a bit different. Now you notice it says out of office. What if I'm available? So now it says available but out of office. So if you are going to be out of office, that's a way that you can get that status to say that. Busy but out of office, etc. So you kind of get the idea. That's just an interesting thing that I noticed that some of our technical staff, I was like, wait, how come I don't see out of office over here? And that's why. So it syncs with Outlook, which is great. And then you can change some of these things, right? So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. But then folks kind of know where you're at. They know if you're available, if you're on a call, or if you're in a meeting, or if you're presenting. It'll pick up on those things too. And I would recommend that if you are presenting, you would change this to do not disturb, so that way you won't get a call or a message that interrupts that kind of stuff. But that's our tutorial for today. So thanks everybody. I hope that this was helpful.